Okay, Travis, coming from this parking lot, which I should be able to give you GPS coordinates from, you'll see there's like a no parking boat ramp. It's a really small little boat ramp. It's for just small things like our canoe. But you come on down here. I'm going to show you the pathway to get to our boat launch. So you come down, you see that guy. You're going to come to this pathway here to your right. And the tricky spot is you gotta find this little hatch here to take a left. It's very small compared to what looks like your regular path here, but you can take your left here. You literally just come out to the water, which you'll be able to see in here. And then just up the ways, there's a yellow tube. Don't know if it'll be here for you at that point. And this is the spot that Misha was pointing out to you in the other video. This higher grass area right here.